Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play Saber Simulator again. Also, thank you for watching. Sorry for that, just my cat. Oh, 1 second guys, I'll be back. Okay, my cat just decided to run off. I'm very cold because I was playing outside with my friends. So, yeah. Just skip the loading. I don't care. Oh, you want to get ready? Let me just come to the There we go. Is that better? Is that better for you guys? Is that better for me? I'm just 1 sec, guys. I'm so sorry. Bad quality. Okay. Yes. Okay. So. Okay. So. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's. Okay, so what should we do? Oh, I'm definitely not laying in bed. Well, it might look like that, but I'm not. Trust me. Okay, so like that. Okay, so okay, let's get to the video now. Listen. Oh, I saw like figure right there. You guys can't see it. It's just the boss looks like. It used to look like my main account. Let's see, guys. There. Oh, he's just not. And but I don't like every 1 hit. Wait, he just did 5 hits. He did 5 hits. Maybe he's low. Okay. Shout out time! Woo! Okay, shout out to my mom, my friends for subscribing to the channel. Shout out for you guys for watching my videos. I'm so thankful. Link in the description to join my group. It's very thankful to join it. Friends will immediately get admin if I know they join. And you must need a jump back uniform to join, unless you're one of my friends, main account friend. I don't know. I don't care if you're I don't care. You can join whenever, but I have to approve you if you're wearing the jump bot uniform. I need to check your account to see. You don't have to wear it. You just need a uniform. But if you want to have a higher rank, if you want to have. I'm gonna make a new rank called Jungbot. I'm thinking of the name. Jungbot Soldier. That whoever joins with that costume on immediately gets that rank. I just approve them, put them on that rank. It's not better than the leader though. Just link in the description, Roblox, or you can just put in the name. It's going to be in the title, and the link of the description, and in the description, please comment on this video that you love Roblox and Minecraft. I absolutely love Minecraft. No Minecraft videos. There's a Bloons 2D episode. You guys should watch it. It's awesome. Yeah, let's get back to the game right now. Okay. So my stream real quick. I just love pushing the sub button because it's faster and I'm like that. Look at my money, guys. Look at my coins now. I'm gonna go to the shop real quick. Where's the shop? Shop. Okay. I need. Okay, so buy all. Sabers are better than DNA, actually. Why? Why do I? Yes, please. Buy all, please. Billion. What's this? My sword? My sword. I got 2 million. What's gonna be first? This is fire. I'm gonna get a pet real quick. I can't. I don't have to get a pet in this game because I never played this game and I really don't like it that much. Here's a Mitchie, guys. Okay, so what's the cheapest? Wait, why do I need crown? The cheapest one is 500 crowns, or yeah, 500 crowns right there. How do I get crowns though? I never played this game. I just never played this game. Do I get by cleaning my sword or to clean the bath? Or wait, I'm playing a flag as section. Well, let's just play another game. Let's play another game, guys. What should we play today? That is weird, but sorry, but just don't mind that. My group is awesome. Make sure to join it. I'm gonna see if any of you guys joined it yet. Any of you guys yet? Also, join Chill Studios, a very good group. They make very good games. Also, try their most famous game they made so far, called Build a Boat for Treasure. It's opposite. I make a video about their new update. Their Switch updated button levers. Levers are switches now. It's definitely you can make light switches. Lights. What are you doing? That's just my cat. Don't mind that. It's just my homework page. That's the only picture I had for this. It's weird, I know. I'll get a picture of a real junk bot soon, but okay, not like a real junk bot in like real life, just in the game. Look, right there, me. That's me. Funds, yes, indeed. Some people get funds because let me show you how much Robux I have. 195. Okay. Let me show you the rolls I have. It's 50 on that stupid roll. Leader. So leader is the best one so far. Owner, it's just me, but leader is bester. Wait, I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade members. Okay, members cannot post on the wall. I'm gonna do that right now. Do that right now, actually. Member. Okay. Yes, it's everything. Advertise the group is. Yeah. So they can advertise the group. Advertise it. But I'm not gonna let you. No. Let's get back to another game. But, make sure to join Junkbot. Make sure to join Junkbot Military game. Link in the description. Just join that group. I would be happy. And please subscribe. I want 500 subscribers, please. 500 subscribers. I will make a shout out. I will make a personal video. Just comment on this video if you want a shout out next video for subscribing. Okay? If you want a shout out from me, subscribe, comment that you did that, and text. Okay, let me just end. Say hashtag Dugbot rule Dugbot rule that rule that thing. Make sure to join my group. Oh, probably my God. But so make sure to comment that if you want a shout out. Bye. Bye guys. I'll see you next video. Comment if you want to shout out this video and other videos. Bye.